Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Yvette, but you can call me Cookie only if you subscribe. It's really simple, just hit that subscribe button and tap that bell. In today's video, I'm going to be doing unboxing some products that I purchased a couple weeks ago. They've just been sitting over here in this corner because I've been too busy to open them up. So if you want to hang out with me for this unboxing, please do. Let's do this. This is from BH Cosmetics. So let's see what we got here. Now I know I ordered this. I believe it's some powder. One of my favorite powders that I already hit pan on. And it's about gone. Yeah, the BH Studio Pro. Look at that. It's like dust. There's nothing in there. So I believe that's what this is. I ordered two. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. I love this setting powder. Press powder, matte finish. It's a matte finish press powder. And I like to use this powder to smooth everything together. Gorgeous. So here, some more powder. This powder I've been wanting to try for a long time. It's the Skin Finish Natural Mineralized by MAC. Dark Deepest. Packaging is pretty. I know I'm probably late on this. Everybody else has been using it. There it is. And this is kind of a neutral, well, it is a neutral color, neutral, dark, deep brown. It's not golden, it's just neutral. And it's pretty. And then I also got another tube of concealer for setting either under my eyes or just setting it under clean up my eyebrows. And this is by CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. And this color is Golden Caramel. Okay, that was in the Ulta bag. And Marshall's bag. My favorite place to shop. IT Cosmetics brushes. They were on sale for $14.99. And they're regular $25 at Ulta. And this one is called Bye Bye Pores brush. And then this smaller one, this is cute. This one is called Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush. Let's take it out. Why not? Oh, that's pretty. The ferrule is silver and it has it on the bottom, if you can see that. This is nice. I can use this to apply foundation. Let's check out the other one. That's really nice. I like that. And this other one, let's check this out. This is nice too. It's kind of dense, but not too dense. Same concept with the IT label on the bottom. This is really nice. Oh, and it has written IT right here on this, right in the center. And they were both $14.99 each at Marshall's. This is really nice. I don't even think I want to use these because they're white. Just like the other ones I have over there by Juvia's in the corner back there Those are white also. I don't want to use them because I don't want to get them dirty. Let's put these back. But I just might use these. And what else? Oh, and then I found this NARS lip pencil. It says crayon satin. It's a pencil. It's red. And it's red. I love some red lipstick. And I'm kind of upset because I lost or misplaced my favorite red lipstick by Juvia's Place. I can't find it anywhere. Every time I think about it, I just get sick. I miss that lipstick. Okay, and then also I found this palette, Anastasia, and this is Alyssa Edwards. It's a very loud, colorful, vibrant palette. Show you these colors. Look at that. It's gorgeous. It has blues, pinks, yellow, black. I'll just read the names. Headliner, Inspire, Unicorn, Tribe, Brick, Road, that's the yellow. Texas Made, that's like the fuchsia pink. Dream It, blue. Back Rose is a pretty deep brown. The Supreme, it's kind of an orangey brown. HOE, I don't know what he means or she means by that. But it's called HOE. And DDC, BBDC, Beyond, Believe, and Beast. And here's the colors again. Alyssa Edwards. And that was it from the Marshalls bag. One more delivery. And this one I'm excited to see. So let's open it together. This one is Dr. J. Slays. Got enough packaging in here to make sure that everything comes safe and not broken. So let's check it out. Packed really well. DJS Gold Miners Glow. Yes. It's a highlighter. Trying to be careful. Y'all. Look at that. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. All right, let's open the other one. Very pretty. This one was the Gold Miners Glow. All right, here's another one. Ready? Ah, this is the Gold Rush. I'm so happy these came. And they're beautiful. Intact. Let's unwrap it. This one looks a lot softer. It's beautiful. Don't mean to blind you. Go check her out. DJ S Beauty. I'm gonna swatch this. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. Look at that. It's like melting in my skin. That's pretty. All right, let's try the other one. This one is kind of more of a, to me, it has a little bit of pink in it. Okay. All right. Look at that, y'all. Yes, DJS, Dr. J Slays. That's her. This is her product. And she slayed it. All right, I can go on and on with this. Let's try it with the brush. Man. Gorgeous. Let's blend it down a little. Very soft. I like it because it's not glittery, like it's not falling all over my face. It's just going right where I want it to go when I apply it. Some glitters are glittery. This one, yeah, oh my goodness, this one is really nice. Gold Miners. Gold Miners Glow. Wow. Can't see it on my arm because the light is reflecting it. But you can see it on my face. But it's like skin finish. It's not like glittery. I'm sweating. Turn this way. So that was my unboxing. I was really excited about the highlighter. That was the highlight of the unboxing. So that's it. And thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Oh, and one more thing. This look right here, someone asked me to create it. So I'm going to do that. This blue monochromatic blue. Someone asked me to create this look again. Blue monochromatic. So I'm going to do that. So be looking out for that video on how I created this look. And happy Friday to everybody. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching my video for my unboxing. I got a lot of good goodies and I'm very happy as much as I love makeup. So, other than that, you all have a good weekend. Bye-bye.